Shopping. Is there anything more irresistible than a stroll through the stores? The smell of new collections, the touch of fabrics, and that magical feeling of finding exactly what you didn't know you needed. Dressing for a day of shopping goes far beyond style. It's a strategic preparation for the battlefield that is the mall. Imagine a scenario where elegance meets efficiency. Would our beloved Becky Bloomwood from Confessions of a Shopaholic be as emotionally equipped if she didn't have an impeccable look to face the window displays? That's what we're going to talk about today. But first, let me introduce myself. I'm Carol, and I'm here to help you elevate your passion for fashion to something that goes beyond the visual, true, profitable elegance. Did you know that 85% of the people who watch my videos aren't yet subscribed to the channel? If you want to learn more about how to combine elegance and practicality, subscribe to the channel, activate the bell so you don't miss any of our valuable insights, and leave your like. After all, who doesn't want to be more sophisticated, elegant, and on top of that, profit from it? And if traveling is part of your plans, be sure to check out my ebook, Be Elegant While Traveling: Global Etiquette for the Sophisticated Traveler. It's the ultimate guide for those who want to explore the world with class. The link is in the first pinned comment. So what's the secret to a perfect shopping look? What should you wear to ensure you're ready for anything? From a chic lunch to those mirrors that seem to distort everything. Let's find out together. Preparing for a day of shopping goes far beyond picking any outfit from the closet. Most women don't realize it, but the store environment is a true test of emotional and physical endurance. You know those mirrors that seem programmed to distort your image, and the lighting that makes any skin look tired? That's exactly why your choice of clothing becomes a secret weapon in this scenario. Consider your wardrobe as the headquarters of a military operation, where every piece needs a clear purpose and a well-defined strategy. The iconic scene in Confessions of a Shopaholic, where Becky runs from store to store, always impeccable even amid chaos, illustrates this well. It's not by chance, it's a conscious choice by someone who understands that the battle at the window displays demands more than just the desire to shop. It requires strategy. And here's a not-so-obvious detail: layering. It's more than just a matter of style. It's the key to facing sudden temperature changes in stores. A light blazer that can be removed, a long-sleeve blouse that keeps you comfortable in cold environments, and of course, a base outfit that harmonizes with the pieces you want to try on. Layering isn't just a fashion trick, it's a shield against the unstable climate of boutiques. It's like dressing for battle with the right tools. While the goal may be to find that dream piece, being prepared for the challenges of the shopping environment ensures that you'll look in the mirror and like what you see, without needing to escape to the nearest cafe to soothe your frustration with sweets and frappuccinos. Instead, you master the experience, letting elegance be your ally, not a victim of circumstance. Preparing for a shopping day goes beyond comfort or practicality. It's about how you see yourself and the impact that has on every decision you make in the stores. When Shakira said she never leaves the house without makeup because she's a woman and knows the power it brings, she wasn't talking about vanity but self-confidence. A touch of makeup, no matter how subtle, can change how you see yourself, directly influencing the choices you make. Consider this: when you go shopping dressed sloppily, your choices will be influenced by the mindset that outfit creates. It's similar to going grocery shopping when you're hungry. You're likely to make impulsive and less healthy choices. Likewise, when you feel inadequate or poorly dressed, the chance of picking items that reflect that feeling increases. Here's another often overlooked detail: lingerie. Believe it or not, what's underneath matters just as much as what's on top. Choosing lingerie that makes you feel good isn't about external impressions, but about your internal perception of yourself. Well-fitting, beautiful underwear is like the foundation of a solid building. It determines how well the exterior will hold up. When you feel amazing from the first layer of clothing, it reflects in every piece you try on. It's a positive cycle. By taking care of your appearance and investing in small details like makeup and lingerie, you elevate your self-image. And this elevated self-image is what ensures you make choices that truly reflect your best self, not a rushed or careless version. After all, shopping is an opportunity to reaffirm who you are, and there's no reason not to show the world and yourself your most powerful and elegant version. The choice of the ideal outfit for a shopping day involves more strategy than you might think. At the heart of this strategy is the versatility of the pieces, which define your comfort and practicality when trying on new clothes. Jeans are a good example. Opting for a super skinny model might seem like a great choice to highlight your curves, but in practice, this can turn into a battle when trying on other pieces. Your mobility becomes limited, and every trip to the fitting room starts to feel like a marathon. But if you choose straight-leg jeans, the game changes. They slide on easily, are effortlessly elegant, and pair with almost anything, from sneakers to heels. This type of jean becomes a versatile base, ready to match any top or shoe you decide to try on. Speaking of tops, the choice of the bottom layer is also essential. A fitted tank top or t-shirt creates a base that allows the clothes you try on to fit properly on your body, revealing how they'll really look on you in everyday life. The key here is to maximize comfort without sacrificing style. By dressing smartly, you ensure that every piece you decide to take home truly works in your wardrobe. The result? A smoother, more effective shopping experience where your personal style shines through without obstacles, and every choice is made with confidence. Creating the perfect outfit for a shopping day is an art that goes beyond aesthetics. It's about smart functionality and comfort without compromising style. When choosing a top for this occasion, practicality is just as important as appearance. A turtleneck or V-neck sweater might be the perfect choice, but the key is to select one that you can put on and take off without turning your hair into a mess. After all, no one wants to fix their hair every time they try on a new piece. And for colder temperatures, a cardigan is the versatile piece that blends elegance with comfort. Opting for a long, fitted model, complemented by a belt, defines your silhouette and adds a touch of sophistication. It's that piece that hugs the body without feeling heavy, allowing you to move freely through the stores, ready to tackle any fitting room. If the weather is unpredictable, a trench coat or a light jacket is your best ally. It provides the necessary protection against the cold without making you overheat during your shopping marathon. Plus, a trench coat is a timeless classic that instantly elevates any look, keeping you prepared for everything from a quick stop in a store to an impromptu lunch at a bistro. This combination of pieces is all about being prepared for the day, ensuring that your shopping experience is smooth and frustration-free. With strategic choices, what could be a day of challenges becomes an opportunity to shine, with a style that adapts effortlessly to every need. Choosing the right footwear for a shopping day is a strategic decision that can determine the success or failure of your mission. While a pair of high heels might be tempting, the reality of spending hours walking from store to store demands something much more practical. Low, comfortable shoes are your best allies, ensuring you can keep up the pace without sacrificing style. The secret lies in choosing versatile footwear that can match most of the clothes you plan to try on. An amazing look, like an elegant pencil skirt, can be easily sabotaged by a pair of worn-out sneakers. The harmony between clothing and footwear is essential, and this is where a good pair of flats or loafers makes all the difference. They offer the necessary comfort for a long day while maintaining the sophistication of your outfit. And don't worry about needing to try on a dress or skirt that requires heels. Most boutiques have a variety of heels available in the fitting rooms, allowing you to get the full experience without having to carry that extra weight around all day. This is the true wisdom of footwear, choosing a pair that lets you move with freedom and confidence, ensuring that every choice you make throughout the day reflects the elegance you desire. When it comes to putting together the perfect outfit for a day of shopping, the choices go far beyond aesthetics. Dressing smartly is an act of strategy, and each piece has a purpose. For example, while a skirt may be a stylish and feminine choice, opting for a dress can limit your options when trying on new pieces. Without the layering rule, you lose the opportunity to see how different combinations might work with the clothes you already own. This brings us to one of the golden rules of a smart shopper. Every new item should match at least 3 pieces you already have in your wardrobe. This maximizes the value of each purchase and ensures that your style remains consistent and cohesive. When you head out for a shopping day feeling fabulous, that confidence shines through in your decisions, making you less susceptible to impulsive buys that might end up being returned later. And there's something even deeper in all of this. Dressing well for a shopping day is an act of self-care. It's a silent declaration that you value your image and your style consistency in any situation. As Joan Crawford once said, taking care of your appearance, whether it's choosing the right hairstyle or the perfect outfit, is one of a woman's most powerful weapons. And who knows, maybe that extra care catches the eye of someone special, even if it's just the charming cashier at your favorite store. In the end, dressing well for shopping is about how you feel and the choices you make with that empowered mindset. Now, with all these tips, you're more than ready to tackle your next shopping day with elegance and confidence. You've learned the importance of choosing the right clothes, versatile jeans, strategic layers, comfortable shoes, and the power of an outfit that boosts your self-esteem. All of this not only to improve your choices, but to ensure that every piece you acquire is a true investment in your style. But let me ask you something. Could you be making subtle mistakes when buying clothes that are sabotaging your wardrobe without you even realizing it? These missteps can undermine all the effort you put into selecting your looks. In my next video, 5 mistakes you make when buying clothes. I'll show you how to avoid them and ensure that every purchase is a win. And if you want to be a more sophisticated woman with an impeccable wardrobe and choices that truly make a difference, subscribe to the channel and leave a like. Elegance is the key to success. And yes, it's very profitable. Comment below, elegance is power, if you enjoyed the video. And don't forget to check out my ebook, Be Elegant While Traveling, Global Etiquette for the Sophisticated Traveler, if you want to explore the world with class and sophistication. The link is in the first pinned comment. See you in the next video.